So this game is called To 1000 and Beyond, and it's a good maths game that involves adding up bigger numbers, getting to 1000 and beyond. All you need for it are 6 dice and just a piece of paper that you can write your scores on. So players take it in turns to roll the 6 dice, and then they add their score together based on the point system over here. So if they roll a 1, you get 500 points, roll a 5, you get 50 points, and any 3 of a kind gives you 100 times the value of one of the dice. So for instance, if you rolled 3 4s, then the score would be 400 points. So in my round, I would put the 2 2s away because I haven't scored with those, but I've got 4 1s, which is 4 of a kind, so we just total with the 500 points. Or if they wanted to, they could do a 3 of a kind and a 1 there, but they'd probably work out that they'd get 100 points for that, whereas if they did those all separately, you'd get a lot more. So I've already scored 2000 on my first roll, so I can write that one down. Now, because I've already reached 1000, I have a choice now. I can either stop and freeze my score at 2000, or I can put those dice to the side and roll these 2 and carry on to see if I can get a bigger score. The risk I take with that is that I could roll 2 2s again, and because it's not one of the types of dice on the scoreboard, I would then lose my points. So I'm now back to 0, and it would be players 2 go to see how much they can get. The only other rule to this game is that you've got 3 rolls to make it to 1000. If you don't get to a score of 1000 after 3 rolls, then you score 0 as well. So player 2's just had their goes. As you can see, it's taken them to the 3rd go to get to 1000, and they've rolled these ones. They've got these 2 left, so they have a choice. They can stick at 1550, or they can have a go at rolling these 2. Now, because in this round of goes, player 1 scored 0, they're probably best to stick with that, and then that is round 1 done for that, and player 2 has won that one. So a simple and fun maths game with lots of addition of higher numbers.